Hello robotics, here's a video of a robot test. Today we are testing the chassis mini on a ramp. The question is, what gradients can the vehicles negotiate? We start with the 4VD mini on a 30-degree ramp. The driving requires some practice. But now we reached 30 degrees. Now let's try the same with the tracked robot. This also requires some practice. But in the end, even the tracked vehicle managed to climb. Now we try the whole thing at 40 degrees. Unfortunately, the 4WD has no grip on the ramp. We'll try this again later with auto wheels. We now drive on with the tracked vehicle on 40 degrees. The tracked vehicle managed 40 degrees. Okay, and a jump. Okay, we'll try again without the jump. The tracked robot has completed the 40 degrees on the ramp. Now 50 degrees with the tracked vehicle. It starts to drive, but the shift in center of gravity throws the robot off the ramp. We play a little trick and put 500 grams of weight into front. With the shift of the center of gravity, the tracked vehicle also drives the 50 degrees. I hope you enjoyed the video. Best regards and see you soon.